there. In this video, we are going to be learning how to do a front post double crochet. Grab your yarn and crochet hook and we'll get started. So I have started this little piece just as a sample for you. I just did a row of chains and then a row of double crochets. And then I started with some of the front post double crochets over here so y'all can see what it looks like. Front post double crochet is actually very easy. You're just doing a double crochet, but instead of in the stitch, you're going around the post of the double crochet. So as you're looking at a piece with the double crochets in it, you can tell where each one has like a little post. There's these little separate sections like this. Those are what we're going to be going in for this stitch. All right, so just like a regular double crochet, we're going to start the yarn over, and then we're going to take our hook and you're going to go in and behind that post. So now you're behind it like this, you're through and over here. So this is the post. You're not in the middle of it, you're just going around it. Then you're going to yarn over and pull up a loop, so you have 3 on your hook. Then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, like a regular double crochet. All right, we'll do it again just to show you. So yarn over, again, find that post right there. You're gonna go through like that, yarn over, pull up a loop. So you're doing the exact same motion as a double crochet, just instead of going in this stitch at the top here, you're going in through the post.